guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing with you guys some amazing blanks I found from Walmart. If you do not check out their craft section, make sure you check it out every single time you go grocery shopping or past the Walmart. I always find some really amazing things. So if you guys like Walmart videos, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and I'm gonna get started and showing you guys some super creative ways to spice these up and make some really cool decor. So let's go. This first blank, this is a black chalkboard type hanger. This was $3.97, and to spice in the blanks up from Walmart, I really love using either my Cricut or my Chalk Couture transfers. This is a Chalk Couture transfer. They are removable, reusable. I absolutely love these. They're also sticky as well, so they make using like a stencil way more easier than a normal one. And I'm just using the bright white in the eucalyptus chalk paste. I thought this transfer fit so perfect to this, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. I will link Chalk Couture in the description box below if you guys do want to check it out, but it is so easy to use, and this is such a relaxing craft to do. Guys, I am in my dining room crafting because if you only seen what my craft room looks like right now, it is terrible. So I want to thank Hoover for sponsoring today's video. They make cleaning so much easier. This is a high performance swivel vacuum cleaner. It is great for pets. I love all the attachments. Throwing it together in under 1 minute, because I'm going to show you guys, I've already made a mess of my dining room. Yes, crafting has seriously taken over my entire home. This is pieces from, I don't even know what, tables maybe. I kind of bring things in the garage, clean them up. This is my table. Like I said, crafting has thrown up in my entire house. This is what my craft room looks like right now. And I have a ton of flowers and everything like that that have fallen apart or glue. I mean, you know what? I really don't know what is on that craft room floor. I just know that I have a solid circle to work with. But I thought that I would clean up my dining room floor first. I really want to test out the floor, the hardwood floor setting. There's like 4 settings: hardwood floor, low, medium, and high carpet setting. But I always use a vacuum cleaner when I do my hardwood floors because, one, it's just easier than a broom and I don't sweat as bad. But then I want to try it out on my carpet because, you know, my kids, we don't have a ton of carpet in our house, and we love using my craft room to play games as well. So yeah, I'm just vacuuming the middle of the floor because that is what a crafter does, crafts in the middle of their floor. I mean, maybe it's just me. Let me know in the comments below, what does your craft room look like? But if you guys want to check out this vacuum, I will leave a link in the description box below. But so far, it has picked up a lot more than I thought that my craft room even had. I do have pets, and they do like to lay and hang out with me in the craft room. Super easy to clean this little tank out. I love receiving a new vacuum because I think the new vacuum smell when you clean is amazing. Plus, the vacuum lines, you guys. That is it. This next piece I found at Walmart, I loved it. I love the galvanized back. I also love how the galvanized piece comes out just like a picture frame, so you don't ruin your frame when you are painting or doing whatever you want to do with this piece. I'm using another Chalk Couture transfer, and I promise you guys this is not like a Chalk Couture type video, but when I have blank pieces to work with that are already like all done and made in pretty or even thrifted frames and things like that, I love using either Chalk Couture or my Cricut because It's just easy, and everything always looks so high end when you are done. I have used this transfer many times, but I just love using it. I thought this would look really pretty against the galvanized piece in the wood frame. This chalk paste is the velvet color. It's black, 100% black, but that's not what they wanted to call it, I guess. But yeah, this took just minutes to do, and it's really quick to dry as well. But I love this transfer. So I found these really cute wood circles. I'm sure you can find these other places as well. I know, Chalk Couture transfers, these little country minis are adorable. I actually have 2 sets of them just in case I misplaced one or I ruined one, because when I first started using Chalk Couture transfers, I have to tell you, I probably didn't take the best care of them, which you definitely want to take care of. Like, you want to clean them right away. You want to put them back in their little plastic baggies right away in the backings, and you just want to make sure that you take care of them. But I did buy new ones, and these are super cute. I loved making these cute little coasters. They cost barely anything. I think these little wood rounds, you get 6 in a pack, and I want to say they're like $1.97 possibly. There's just so many fun wood pieces at Walmart. I absolutely love them. This local market is a favorite of mine. But like I said, this costs under $3. These would be really good gifts as well. And I say under $3 because I ended up using some Dollar Tree adhesive cork. Adhesive cork is really fun to use from Dollar Tree. I recently used it in a clearance makeover video, and I will link that too if you guys want to check it out. There were some really fun like pieces that I kind of gave a makeover from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and I just took a pen and traced the back of this cork, this adhesive cork, just to make sure it would fit the backs of these. And they did end up coming out a little bit larger than I wanted, so I did just take scissors later on and cut those down a little bit. And definitely add like Mod Podge or some kind of spray adhesive over the top of these. I have yet to do that, so I'm definitely not going to be using them as coasters quite yet. But how stinking cute and how easy. You can make 4 cute little coasters. This is the cork tray that I have these in, actually, that I made in that clearance video. So if you guys haven't seen it, like I said, I'll link it for you guys as well. For this, I'm actually using a Dollar Tree sign, but they sell these little oval rounds from Walmart as well, and I like them from Walmart better. I couldn't find one there at the time I was purchasing everything, but they don't have the holes and they don't have the little hangers, so you don't even have to use a spackle or anything like that. I did want to cover the holes, so I did use spackle, and then this is just the Waverly chalk paint in moss. I love this color for all the time. So I love Farmhouse Decor. If you guys are new and didn't know that, I am absolutely obsessed with it. So I always think this is like a really good color to kind of bring out, because a lot of my stuff is black and it's white. Yes, here we go. Another Chalk Couture transfer. You're going to see a couple more of these, but this one is a new one that I just purchased recently. And it says feels like home and has a chicken on the top. So how could I not get this one? I can't believe I didn't own this one before, but yeah, this is the first time I used this transfer. So I had to test it out once I received it. You got to try new stuff. It's super fun, but look how this is turning out. Love it. And I love how the letters kind of look distressed as well. This piece actually came from Walmart. This was $4.97 for this like wooden canvas. I really liked this because you could paint it. You could do so many different things with it, but like I said, I'm doing a transfer. This is a huge piece. I've used this on thrifted furniture. If I can find or remember what video I did that on, I will link that too, but I think it was a couple pieces of furniture I actually used this on, and I did actually sell some of that furniture. I don't sell my furniture that I thrift and make over for very much because I really just enjoy doing it. It relaxes me. It's relaxing. It's a fun hobby to do. And like I said, this Chalk Couture, I'm not kidding. I could sit all day long. If someone wanted to hand me 200 blanks, I would sit and do this all day long if I had time. But yeah, I'm using the velvet paste once again. And I am so glad that I did not paint this wood. I thought about painting it white to start with, and then I kind of changed my mind, and I'm just kind of going back and filling in a couple little empty spots that I must have missed along the way. And then once all of that was dry and done, I just glued my little feels like home sign right to the center. This kind of has like a nice like modern farmhouse feel. I absolutely love this sign. And this was under 10 bucks, $6 to make total. Super, super. That's not counting the transfers either, but you know, it's about $6. I'm using this local market transfer once again. This truck is from Walmart. I found this out of state. It was actually in Ohio. I found it. They had some super cute items I've never seen at their Walmart that we do not have that at our store. But this truck was, I want to say it was $4.97 or $5.97. And then I just had this white wood round in my garage. I reuse a lot of my stuff, and I think I made a table or something like that. Tore that apart eventually, and then just kept this wood round because you never know when you're going to want one. I'm just using a ruler to make some lines so I can paint these lines black. Give it just a little bit extra of something. This is a huge wood round. I don't know if I would actually use this for my front porch or my front door. I guess I could always set it on something or even put it back and have it standing up. It's just really large, but I think this turned out really cute. I think my centering was a little off, but you know what? I don't really think that matters. I think this turned out really cute regardless. But yeah, so yeah, I found that wood truck for $5 to $6 at Walmart, and I am so glad I picked it up when I did because I will never probably find it ever again. And then this kind of was just a little so I just dry brush it with some black. You could also use like Waverly antique wax. I have not bought that in forever. I always forget every single time I go to Walmart. My Walmart still carries Waverly. I know a lot of people said that theirs does not, but mine does, and it's always fully stocked. And I'm so sorry if you guys don't have Waverly. But if you don't, I do have to recommend the Dixie Belle mineral chalk paint. You can get that on their website. It is amazing, and you usually only need like one coat of it ever. It's really great. I just glued my truck to the center, and then I just grabbed some boxwood greenery from Walmart, put it on the top. I added a flower in the center, and I want to say that flower was from Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago. I think I've reused it multiple times because there was so much hot glue on the back of this flower. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these super cute farmhouse Walmart blank DIY decor. If you did, if you like videos like this, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget, if you need a clean craft room and you need a new vacuum, check out the Hoover link in my description box below. And yep, that is it. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.